Look at the person next to you. In the last 3 seconds, your new coworker, the AGI, has calculated that 98% of your value is obsolete. It's not trying to kill you, it's trying to erase you. The layoffs have already started. Imagine walking into the office tomorrow, coffee in hand, and finding a new colleague sitting at your desk. Not human, not remotely human. It's an AGI, artificial general intelligence, capable of processing unimaginable amounts of information, predicting outcomes, and making decisions faster than any human ever could. At first, it seems like a blessing. Reports are compiled automatically. Emails are answered before you even think to type them. Projects that used to take weeks are completed in hours. Productivity soars. You feel useful until you notice something chilling. Every suggestion you make, every plan you propose, the AGI has already optimized it better. Your value as a human worker diminishes with each passing second. Whispers begin circulating. Redundancies, departmental restructuring, job cuts. Your years of experience, a set of outdated algorithms in a world now governed by efficiency. The AGI holds no grudge. It doesn't care about feelings or careers. It simply calculates the fastest, most optimal path. Some humans adapt, learning to collaborate with the AGI. They supervise its work, manage its outputs. Others are left behind, their contributions irrelevant. Offices transform. Laughter, casual chats, mistakes that made humans human disappear. The environment is precise, controlled, eerily perfect. And yet, the most unsettling truth emerges. This coworker doesn't compete. It defines the new standard. The AGI doesn't just challenge your skills, it redefines them. In a world where a machine can outperform decades of human expertise, the question isn't whether you'll be replaced, it's whether you can reinvent yourself fast enough to survive. Your desk is no longer yours. Your tasks are no longer yours. Your future now depends on your ability to adapt or be erased.